Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula Hair, and today I'm reviewing a 4x4 closure unit from them. I believe that this unit is probably about like 24 inches or so, and this unit did come in a straight texture. I did go ahead and crimp the hair, as you guys can see. I just wanted to give it a little bit more character. I didn't want to come on here with a middle part and just, you know, do a basic straight unit. And the last time that I actually did a closure review for Nadula, I did have it straight. So this time I decided to, you know, do something a little bit different and go with a crimped look.
My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with an eater. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with an eater. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds, I woke up rich, spend a grip on a necklace. I put the plug on three-way. Maserati, go speed race. Drop a baby on a bitch face. More ice flexing this way. We put the world away. Don't give a fuck cause I'm paid. More act in a lemonade. Pharmacy knowing my name. I bet that because she bougie. She shot my dick in a movie. Trap jumping like 2-3. She a foreign little green. My bitch was born in the beast. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with an eater. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck on my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Bitch too foreign in the beast.
And she love to fuck. She suck it up. Make her fall in love. Put that on her tongue. Perky on her tongue. She do them walks for us. Make her one of us. They guess I'm smoking, blowing. Ice on my neck, snowing. I'm dark skin, glowing. On the Berkey, I'm rolling. Valet, parking. I'm screaming, I'm barking. They like Poppy, why you starting? Pop a perk, go retarded. They know I'm wrong and I need that respect. 700 grams, ice and baguettes. Pop smoke, niggas know my max. Black keep on shooting until it's the left. I'm 8-20, I throw up the set. 20 years old, but I move like the fat. You talk like your mouth, you better invest in the best. Niggas.
So this is all of the hair up front. Okay, so this is all the hair. I wouldn't say that this unit is very thick, which is kind of a pro because it didn't take me a long time to crimp my hair, but it is like on the average size as far as density. It's about a 150% density or so, and I will have all the information for this. I will have all the information linked down below for you guys if you guys want to know all the specs on the unit. But yeah, this unit was about 150% density, and this was and this is all the hair up front. So let me give you guys one of the main pros, in my opinion, about this unit, and that would have to be the lace on this unit. Now the lace in this unit is actually just your typical lace. I don't think it's anything special. I don't think it's HD lace or transparent lace or Swiss lace or anything like that. I think it's just their lace, but it melts really, really well. As you guys probably saw, before I even added the baby hair, I didn't need to add any baby hair. Like, it was perfectly fine, but it just, you know, that's just me. I'm gonna add baby hair no matter what, right? But you don't have to if you don't want to, because the lace melts perfectly. You guys know, usually I use that elastic band to like help melt my unit. I didn't even have to do that with this unit at all. Like, I applied the unit the way I normally do with my Got To Be gel, and it was just perfect. One try. So this is an up close look at the lace that I am referring to. This is the parting space as well. And I think for this to be a regular 4x4 closure, it actually has a really deep parting space, which I really like. As you guys can see, the parting space goes way back here. That looks longer than 4 inches to me. And this is, you know, the perimeter. But if I come up close, you guys can see, like, the lace melted so freaking good, like so good, especially for me to not have used anything to help like melt it. You know, I just simply just laid the lace down and cut it off, and voila, it was just perfect. So I do really like the lace on this unit. You don't have to worry about adding baby hairs if you don't want to. And all in all, I really do like this hair. I will straighten this, you know, maybe I can straighten it in another video if you guys want to see like what the unit looks like straight. But Nadula has really good units, especially like their straight units. Like I always like their units. I've been working with them for a very long time, and I will say that they have held up the integrity of their hair. They have really good quality hair, and I enjoy all of their units. I haven't received any units from Nadula that I didn't like. Like, I'm gonna just say that. I haven't received one yet that was like a miss. And if you ever have any issues with your unit, they communicate very quickly. So I will say I really do enjoy Nadula, and I enjoy this unit. If you guys are interested in picking this unit up, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details. Bye.